Freedom of information and data protection information. What happens to your submission? Once the period for receiving submissions has ended, the NDA will review and analyse the responses. The main themes from this analysis will be included in a consultation report to be published on the NDA website. The inputs from this consultation will be used to inform the development of the updated guidelines for effective participation of people with disabilities. Freedom of information. The information collected from the submissions made through this consultation process will be subject to the provisions of the Data Protection Act 2018. Please note that all information and comments submitted to the National Disability Authority for the purpose of this consultation process are subject to release under the Freedom of Information Acts 1997 and 2003. If any of the detail you have provided us with is sensitive, on the basis that it is personal, confidential, or commercially confidential, please identify it here and give reasons why you think it should not be released. The NDA, where possible, will consult with you about any information which you have identified as sensitive information before making a decision in response to a request for release under the Freedom of Information Acts. If you have any questions about this, please contact the NDA's Freedom of Information Officer at FOI@nda.ie. GDPR. The National Disability Authority is the data controller for the purposes of this consultation. The controller has the function to provide advice and information to the Minister for Children, Equality, Disability, Integration and Youth on matters concerning policy and practice in relation to people with disabilities, and to assist the Minister in the coordination of disability policy. Submissions will be held by the controller until the revised guidelines are published. Videos will be deleted once the written transcript is received. In accordance with Article 37 of the GDPR, the NDA has appointed a Data Protection Officer. You can contact the Data Protection Officer at dataprotection@nda.ie.